Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this occasion, I would like to do a tutorial, but it's only one of the sprites. So let's start. Firstly, I'm gonna take uh, when I receive gameplay. Hold on, sorry. Okay, let's go and then we take hide. After that, I will take wait 0.3 seconds. Then I will take a forever, and then I will take if then, and then I will go to sensing, and then take mouse down, and then I will take sound, and then oh sorry, I will go to sound, then take start sound. Just don't know if I can actually make by myself. Um, Scratch actually. Oh, a little bit like that. So let's continue. And now I will go back to control, go down, and then take a clone of myself. So that's the first one. I'll go to events, go back to events and take one space, keep pressed. So that will begin and then take 1 second, and then change it to 0.1 seconds. And then I will still add, go on to create clone of myself. Now, this is the last one. I will take, when I start as a clone, I will take show, look, and then I will take it to another position and then change it to shooter. After that, I will take repeat until, just add control, and then I'll go to something and then touch and enter. After that, change it to edge. And now I will say motion, and change one, so change one to 10, and then yeah, change that. I will go to control and then take lead space clone. And so that's all of it. It's in 2018 blocks. Original blocks. If you have something missing, you can post a video and you can search for it. And now let's try it. You can use your mouse. Okay. Or clicking. So I get this corner. All right. That's all. Thank you for this video. I hope this can be useful for you guys, and I will see you guys next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.